Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. This is just another quick tech tip. I was messing around and there's a bunch of grease and stuff. You can see it like, oops, sorry about that, but right here and in these holes, and it's really bad. And I ground the top, getting ready to weld these up, but I need to make like some slugs or maybe put a piece of metal behind this or something, or even cut it out and re-weld it. I don't know. Haven't really thought about it. But I wanted to take and clean all this crap out of these holes real good. And this is like like I said, just a quick tech tip. Just take a piece of metal rod, and this is like 5/16 or quarter inch, no, it's smaller than that, I guess, metal rod. And all I did was take a hacksaw and cut a slit in it and slide emery cloth. This stuff here is emery cloth. And I know a lot of people have seen this trick, but it's just a cool trick. And put it in your drill. And all that does is that runs down inside that hole and flaps it out of there. And then, you know, you can make different sizes. And then you can clean up inside those holes with that emery cloth. And you can make this in all different sizes. You can make it with the real small rod all the way up to like the 1/2 inch rod, and have bigger pieces of emery cloth, you know, with different grits of emery cloth on the, you know, on the paper. Just a cool tech tip. Hope you guys like it. Leave a comment down below. I know a lot of you have seen this trick, but you know, there's a lot of people on YouTube that haven't. So go build something. Later.